Good evening, I'm Nashika, and this is Chale News, your evening digest for Wednesday, May 28th. Tonight, the Weija Dam crisis is deepening. Floodwaters, power cuts, and now a blame game over who warned who. Ghana's anti-LGBTQ bill is weeks away from a vote, and Ghanaians in Cambodia have hours, not days, to leave or face prison. Let's get into it. This is the story demanding your full attention tonight. Ghana Water has opened all spill gates at the Weija Dam. Water levels have blown past the 48-foot safety limit. The Ghana Met Agency says heavy rains could keep the spillage running for months. Residents in Weija, Kasoa, and low-lying parts of Accra West are being told to evacuate now. If you have family in those areas, please reach out to them. And the crisis just got worse. On top of losing their homes to floodwaters, communities like Tetegu, Sampa Valley, and Choice are now in the dark. ECG confirms floodwaters have submerged distribution substations across Accra West, and there is no timeline for restoration. No lights, no home. Let that sink in. Now here's where the anger starts. NADMO says it warned Weija Dam communities well before the spillage, but the local assembly member says a noise-making ban crippled the alert system. And the Weija Gabawe MCE says Ghana Water never even called his office. Somebody dropped the ball, and everyone is pointing at someone else. Full breakdown on Chale.news. Meanwhile, in court, the Torkornoo removal case has a date. The Supreme Court has rejected former AG Godfred Dame's attempt to withdraw from the proceedings, ruling his notice defective. July 2nd is now Judgment Day for 4 legal challenges to the ex-Chief Justice's removal. A constitutional reckoning is coming. The anti-LGBTQ bill is moving fast. Majority Chief Whip Dafi Mekpour says the committee report gets laid in Parliament on Thursday, and a final vote could happen within weeks. This has been building for over a year. It appears the moment is nearly here. Ghana and South Africa are not seeing eye to eye. Pretoria's immigration chief claims only 10 of the roughly 300 Ghanaians evacuated from Johannesburg were in the country legally. Ghana's High Commissioner Benjamin Kwashi says that is absolutely not true. He puts the legal residents at 80%. A diplomatic row is building and somebody's numbers don't add up. Urgent. Ghanaians in Cambodia have until May 31st, that is 3 days, to leave or face a 2-year prison sentence and an $8,000 fine. Cambodia is cracking down on African nationals on expired waivers. Ghana's Foreign Affairs Ministry has said absolutely nothing. Nothing. 4 young men, the oldest just 30, were buried alive when a galamsey pit collapsed at Bepotentan Sukum in Amansie Central on Wednesday. A 5th miner survived. 4 families are grieving tonight. The galamsey crisis has a human face, and it looks like this. On the money side, Ghana's budget was already in deficit by the end of March. The economy posted its best growth in 6 years, yes, but tax revenue isn't keeping up with spending. With the IMF watching and the mid-year budget approaching, analysts say new levies are virtually inevitable. Your pocket should be paying attention. Chinese giant Zhejiang Huayu Cobalt is closing a $210 million takeover of Ewoyaa, one of Africa's most prized lithium deposits, right here in Ghana. Ghana's State Investment Fund, MIIF, appears to have missed the window to take a strategic stake. As the world scrambles for critical minerals, are we watching our wealth leave again? Full analysis on Chale.news. The Trump administration is building a 50-bed Ebola quarantine facility in Kenya, shipping biocontainment units from the U.S., assembled in a week. Ghana? Still no public announcement on screening or preparedness. Suspected DRC cases have surpassed 1,000. The WHO emergency declaration is in its 2nd week. What exactly are we waiting for? A late-night fire tore through Nima Market, destroying shops and stock. Trader Mariam Tako Amagashi says many had borrowed money to buy their goods. So this isn't just loss, it's debt with nothing to show for it. Traders are calling on the government for help. Ghana's National Peace Council sent a clear message to police in Ho today. No politician, not even the president, is above public criticism. They warned specifically against weaponizing the Cybersecurity Act to silence dissent. The timing is pointed. The NPP accused the Mahama government of midnight arrests of critics on the very same day. Ghana's most capped outfield player was spotted training with Nanya FC at Ajax Park in Accra. Andre Ayew, left out of the Black Stars World Cup preparation squad, training at a local club while his teammates prep for Wales. Coach Quiroz has offered no explanation. The image says everything the football conversation has been about. We close tonight on a tender note. Today would have been Beverly Afaglo's 43rd birthday. Instead, Ghana marks her one-week memorial, 4 days after she passed from cancer at the International Maritime Hospital in Tema. Choirmaster's tribute has moved so many people. We hold her family in our hearts tonight. That's your evening, Chale. Every story we covered tonight and more is waiting for you at chale.news. Stay safe out there, especially those of you near the floodwaters. Good night.